If you're looking for what is arguably the purest form of Audi's iconic 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbocharged engine, then this 2018 RS3 8V Sportback may just be the pick of the bunch. Being a DAZA-engined variant, it leaves the factory with a power output of 400 PS and unrestricted by any form of exhaust particulate filter. It offers the richest version of what is the most orchestral of engine soundtracks. Offered with an almost unheard of 11,600 miles, with only one previous keeper since new, and complete with full Audi main dealer service history, including every single invoice from the point of purchase, there can be very few such painstakingly maintained examples in the country. The level of care and originality has been verified by the use of Audi dealer diagnostics, revealing no previous remapping and an accurate mileage count. On further inspection, there are no instances of non-factory paintwork, so you can buy in confidence that this serving of Sportback has led a life free of damage, meaning it is in simply impeccable condition both inside and out. Adding to its extraordinary condition is an impressive specification, comprising of over £9,000 of must-have optional extras, including Super Sport seats with diamond stitching, the extended leather package, the Bang & Olufsen high-fidelity sound system, individual tyre pressure monitoring system, the uber rare race design illuminated interior inlays, reversing camera, advanced key, the Audi Sportback which adds the throaty RS Sports exhaust system and the magnetic ride control, and the glossback exterior styling package. Did you know the only way to get ambient lighting in an 8V RS3 is by finding one with the aluminium interior inlays? These interior inlays are featured here and on the door cards, but if you look under the inlay on the door cards, both front and rear, there's a little LED strip. You cannot get this with the carbon interior inlays or the stock one. You can only get it with the race aluminium inserts. So if you want to have this feature within your RS3, then you'll have to find an RS3 with it, just like this 2018 Audi RS3 Sportback we have for sale here. However, it doesn't stop there. This RS3 is accompanied by £2,800 XPEL self-healing paint protection film to the front end and all impact zones, preserving its originality and immaculate condition for years to come. Stunningly presented in a flawless coat of Arbor Blue crystal paint. As always, with cars offered for sale here at Automotive Addiction, this example will be further enhanced with an additional 40 hours of meticulous preparation by our in-house detailing team, including multi-stage paint correction to ensure a truly unrivaled finish prior to sale. To find an immaculate condition, low mileage, high specification, unmodified, non-OPF Audi RS3 on the market with only one previous keeper since new, it's almost like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So don't miss out. Find out more information by heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.